Boyk Law Office in Toledo. The question is, can an employer be held liable for a car accident caused by one of their employees? The answer is yes, they can, provided the employee is acting in the course and scope of his or her employment. In other words, if that person is doing their normal job and they make a mistake, then the employer can be bound by that mistake and held liable for that. However, if the employee does something that is so extremely outside the course and scope of employment, then that's typically on the employee and not on the employer.